Arranged this place last time I was here. It was a couple years ago though, so I don't blame him. I don't blame him. The McLaren Dallas showroom. Look at this. Beautiful 720 here. Being kind of quiet because there's nobody else here. We don't want to make too much noise. But you have some awesome cars here. Beautiful specs. Like this blue car, this blue 720, and this gray 720. I personally like this one. Then we have a white 570 Spider, which looks really good. Look at that. Hey, what'd you find, Chad?
They're little F1 things, like, it's cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Little steering wheel, little helmet.
It's probably like $100 because it has the McLaren symbol on it. This. I love the yellow stitching on it. Looks really good. It's insane. We sat in one of these a couple of weeks ago. We really liked it. It was awesome. Super satisfying, to believe it or not. Steering wheel is kind of cool, but you know. Here, McLaren V8, about 570 horsepower. Believe it or not. I mean, look at this. They have about 4 720s here. They have a blue 650. Yeah, 650 Spider. Looks really good. I like this one though. Personally, I like the green color on the 570. And then we got 2 more 720s right here. Beautiful, like orange. I don't know what kind of orange this is, but you know the drill. You see me. Hi guys.
How much money?
You don't have $353,000?
No.
Come on, Chad. How much is it for?
$241,680.
You know, that's kind of expensive, don't you think?
But you get 19 miles per gallon.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Not
And
really.
It really isn't. But for a McLaren, also, peep, it's a Spider. Actually,
Spider.
Actually, I think the Spiders are more expensive than the coupes because it's more components, and they're actually heavier too. Believe it or not.
They look better though.
Oh yeah, I like it too. Color on these. Moving on. So I have a Quattroporte, a Maserati Ghibli, and an MC GT. And then over here, you got a Levante. Are coming over here. Look at this. Whoa. It's like red. Wait. That's trippy. What? It's got like red flakes in it, makes it look red. Then you come over here, it's great. Wow, that's weird. Fun fact, this is hand painted. The guy who paints this is said to have the steadiest hand in the world. So all of the pinstripes are hand painted. Same thing as right here. Yeah, you can't lose quality with Rolls Royce. I see it now. I don't think the camera's picking it up as much, but it's red. Trust me. Looking good. Very British. Okay, so 2 things. I couldn't actually video in there much because they're actually doing the sales in there, so I'm not gonna interrupt that at all. Number 2, I'm not gonna check out the cars outside because it's raining. They have like a pavilion or something in there, but I'm not actually gonna go out and look at them because it is pouring down rain still. Just a short visit at Park Place, Bentley, McLaren, Maserati, and Rolls Royce. So yeah, I know, I saw, it's insane. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you need to do to keep up with me on YouTube. And I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.